Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a high protein pasta salad with just these 5 ingredients, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations for more ingredients to include in your high protein pasta salad, so be sure to click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So let me chat you through the ingredients and then we'll get cooking. So I found this chickpea pasta at Aldi. It's what inspired me to make this whole recipe. It's super high in protein, the highest protein pasta I've pretty much ever seen. They're 14 grams per 100 grams and the only ingredient in this is chickpea flour. So it's a lovely healthy ingredient to keep in your pantry if you include chickpeas in your diet, to be able to have a pasta salad, or really use any pasta that you like. This one's just high protein, so all the ingredients add on more and more protein to make a lovely high protein meal. I've also got my lemon, which rolled off when I took the pasta away, but we've got lemon over there to add some lovely flavor, freshness and nutrition. I've got feta over there as my cheese of choice. I just love feta in a salad. It adds protein, flavor, saltiness, just so many lovely complex flavors. I've got Italian extra virgin olive oil, a bit of a Mediterranean salad between the Greek feta and Italian olive oil to make lovely flavor and add some extra nutrition and healthy fats to the salad. And I've got chickpeas over there. These chickpeas, even though they say they're organic, they were under €1 for the can. It's in salted water. As long as whichever you like to use, you can use. You can omit any of the ingredients, add in your own. I'll just write lots of ideas in the blog post down below, but those are my 5 core ingredients to make a lovely, flavorful, high protein pasta salad. So I'm going to get started by cooking up my pasta. Cook your pasta for however long it says on your package. So I'm going to cook it, cool it, and then pop it in a container, and then we'll mix all the other ingredients together. My pasta has cooked and cooled, and I have it in a container that I'm going to be storing it in the fridge in, and now we'll just add the other ingredients. I'm going to start with my olive oil. Go for 2 to 4 tablespoons. Really just depends on how much pasta you have and how much oil you want to include. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons and just mix it through. And now lemon, half a lemon to a lemon. Again, depends how much pasta and how much flavor you want to add in. Going for half a lemon. Give it a lovely fresh flavor. And now the chickpeas, I've opened and drained the can, and we'll just pop the whole lot on. Give the chickpeas a good gentle mix through. Say there's almost more chickpea than pasta in this. That's what I like, lots of protein. And finally the feta. I've cut mine into cubes and just add on as much as you want. It's all kind of gone on there. And gently mix it through. Until the salad is perfectly dotted with feta and chickpeas. You definitely can add some more vegetables to it. Some spinach or red onion would go perfectly, or tomato. It's totally up to you. It'll all be written in the blog post down below. But I find these simple ingredients work together well to create a super high protein. This is a lovely, perfect salad to have after a workout or to meal prep and have as a lovely meal for lunch or dinner. It's just absolutely perfect. But that is the video for how to make this high protein pasta salad full of flavor. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this lovely pasta a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.